Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is political crisis in France. This topic relates to international relations section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Recently, French Prime Minister François Bayrou lost a confidence vote in parliament, leading to his ouster after just 8 months in office. President Emmanuel Macron is under pressure from the opposition to dissolve parliament and step down. He has decided to search for his 5th prime minister in less than 2 years. Now let's discuss about political and economic implications. The French government faces challenges in reducing a significant budget deficit and managing a debt pile of 114% of GDP, with public and political divisions on how to address these issues. France is facing potential downgrades from credit agencies, which would increase the cost of borrowing and deepen the country's debt issues. The ousting of the Prime Minister leads to further instability in the government, making it harder to pass important legislation, including the national budget. The political deadlock could undermine investor confidence, especially if France faces a downgrade from credit agencies, which may lead to higher borrowing costs and more debt strain. The protests and strikes highlight growing public dissatisfaction with the government's handling of economic issues, which could further erode support for Macron and his administration. Now, moving on to details about France, the largest country in Western Europe, has long been a gateway between the continent's northern and southern regions. Its lengthy borders touch Germany and Belgium in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, the Pyrenees Mountains and Spain in the south. Wide, fertile plains dominate most of the north and west, making France the agricultural epicenter of Europe. Now is the time for practice question. Who was the predecessor of François Bayrou as Prime Minister of France? A. Michel Barnier, B. Jean Castex, C. Manuel Valls, D. Bernard Cazeneuve. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.